Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I hadn't gone in a bit and I wanted to go in and see if there were any new items, and I did find a few new things. So normally I'll do an overview and then I go through them one by one, but I think I'm just gonna dive right in and then just show the item up to the camera, as I have them in my dining room table right now and I kind of have things all over the place, so I think I'll just do it that way. So without further ado, let's jump right into this Dollar Tree haul. So to start off, I usually look in the baby section and the puppy section. The baby section was the biggest treasure that I found, and I'll show you that probably last. But in the dog and cat section, I picked up another one of these Fox dog toys. These are really cute and they seem to last with my puppy, which is unusual because he usually destroys his toys. But these ones here, he doesn't rip through them. He, after a little bit, ends up breaking the little plastic squeaker inside, but other than that he leaves them intact, and he loves the little crinkly sound on the tail. So I ended up picking up the Fox because I hadn't seen this one before. Then I picked him up a pack of the Caesar filet mignon flavor. These are $1.75 at my Dollar Tree. If you're new to my channel, I am in Canada, so our Dollar Trees have items ranging from $1.25 to up to $2. I picked up this phone selfie light. I hadn't seen this there before, so I thought I'd give it a try on my daughter's phone. They came in different colors and it looks like they're little bear ears. And let's see, what does it say? It says compatible with all smartphones and battery operated. So we'll see how this works out. Hashtag no filter. Take high quality photos with great lighting everywhere you go. So hopefully that works for her phone. I ended up picking up some of these Raid window fly traps. Hopefully these work because being out in the farm, a lot of times we get flies in the house and they end up just falling wherever, and then I have to sweep them up. So I thought if I put these on the window down in the bottom corner, then hopefully they could catch on to these and then it's easier to clean them up. So these are by Raid and hopefully they work well. I've never tried these before. If you have, let me know in the comments section below. I picked up a couple more of these aromatherapy diffusers. I had picked these up before at Dollar Tree, but now the packaging is different. They are by Luminescence, and I really enjoy these. I do like putting them in my motorhome and in the trailer that I have outside that I am turning into my workspace slash guest house. So these are really cute for small spaces, and I saw them again, so I thought I'd pick up another two. I did pick up some clover leaf flake light tuna. Now normally I will just pick these up at the grocery store when I see them on sale, but I wasn't planning on going to the grocery store. We just stopped into a store beside the Dollar Tree, and that's why I ran into there. So I saw them, they were $2, so I just picked up 4 of those. These I was looking for because I was planning on doing a DIY and I only had the one shelf and I needed 2. So I did see these at my Dollar Tree again. They brought a whole bunch more in of the black as well as the white. So I did pick up another 2, and hopefully I will be getting around to that DIY very soon. They are the floating shelves, great for displaying small items, knickknacks, and more. I picked up these decor pieces. I hadn't seen these before. They are wall decor. They are plain on the back, but they have the jute twine that is stapled in the back. And then it has a tassel on the bottom. It has the wooden beads. And then you can hang it from the top here. I thought they were super cute, whether you hang them on their own or you place these in the center of a wreath. I thought they were so pretty. So the one in white says home, and then the one in the black says hope. Super cute. I picked up this wall decor sign, and I'm hoping to kind of seal this and hang it at my front porch. I thought it was super cute. It says porch rules, sip sweet tea, zzz, take a long nap, gather with family, tell stories, relax and unwind, laugh together, and watch the sunset. And I love it because I have decorated this year with this particular blue as well as a baby blue, a white, and gray. So I thought this would look really nice with my decor. I'm going to place this in the window by my front door, and it's kind of sunken in, so I think it will be protected good enough by the elements, but I will go ahead and stain it with a polyurethane just to try and protect it a little bit more. But I thought that was so cute. Going along with those colors, I came across these, and at first when I saw them, I thought that they were ceramic, but they're actually plastic, and I love them. They look very, very high-end, and I love the colors. Again, going with that blue that I'm using this year. And then they also had this kind of sea green, I believe it is, and it goes really nicely with this blue. And I just love that they are plastic, because being outside, I don't want them breaking. And I can add some flowers to this or some greenery, and they will make really pretty decor either for my porch or for my covered deck by my workspace. So I was really happy to find these, and I may just pick up a few more when I go back. Then I came across some more mirrors, and I love Dollar Tree's decorative mirrors. This time I came across these. They had them in black as well as white, and they have lines running through the frame, and I know that I'm going to use these in my trailer. I was looking for something around this size, and that's what I love about these types of mirrors for my trailer, because it is a smaller space, but these fit in those spaces just perfect. So I'm hoping when I renovate the bathroom in either my motorhome or trailer, both have to be done, that I can use these in either of them or maybe in both of them to add some more light and open up the space, since they are smaller bathrooms. And then the last thing that I have to share with you is what I was most excited to find this time at Dollar Tree. I came across some sleepers, and these sleepers are by Snug-a-Bye, and they still have the Walmart tag on them. So they came from Walmart, and the cashier probably thought I was crazy that I grabbed so many. But for those of you who are familiar to my channel, you may have heard me mention that I am a new reborn artist, and these are great for when I complete a doll. When I finish painting a reborn kit, then I can use these sleepers to dress them for when I sell them, or even to include them if somebody wants a box opening and they want items in the box opening. These are great. So I did pick up some newborn size and preemie size, which I think is hilarious because my Walmarts hardly ever have preemie. The odd time I will come across a sleeper that is in the size preemie, but other than that, I never ever find any preemie clothing. So this time around at Dollar Tree, they had preemie and they had newborn. So I did pick up, I think it was two or three of the preemie size, and then 2 or 3 of the newborn. So they had a couple, actually they had 3 different patterns for the boys, and then they had 2 for the girls. So the first one here, which this one was my favorite, has the dark blue and light blue horizontal stripes. It has the snaps going all the way down. On the knee, it has this adorable little patch, and then it has a faux pocket here with the little bear and then some stars above. So again, these are by Snug-a-Buy, and then you can see here they have the Walmart tag, and these were selling at Walmart for $12. So that was a great find. At Dollar Tree, they were selling them for $2. So really great deal. And not only are they an adorable sleeper, they are super soft, but they also came with the little hat, which is awesome. So there's the one. And then they had the stars in the navy blue and gray, and then the light blue, again the snaps down the middle, and it came with the hat. And then for the girls, they didn't have the hats, but here's the sleeper, and these have the snaps that go again down along the leg to the bottom, and then it has this love patch here in the center, which is super cute. So in the gray and pink, this one came with an adorable little headband, and they are all the footed sleepers. And then the other pink one, this one I love, is a one piece. It has the hoodie attached, and this one had the zipper, which was really nice. And it is in the fuchsia pink with the white hearts. Then it has these 2 little bows here. So really cute. And because it had the hood, it didn't come with a hat or headband, but really cute. And then along the arms, it has the little ruffles. Super cute. So for $2, I think these were amazing finds, and I couldn't be happier. I'm hoping that Dollar Tree continues to get these amazing new items. They are, yes, $2, but when normally you would be paying $12 at Walmart and you can get them for $2, I think that's still an amazing deal. And that will do it for this Dollar Tree. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.